guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So I know I've been gone for a really long time. There's just been a lot going on in my life. So I kind of got into this weird funk with filming. And finally, I feel like I'm kind of coming out of it. I've just not really been like myself. I feel like I haven't really been myself lately. So I'm starting to feel a little bit better, and I am getting back into filming content for you guys, and this one's going to be all about hair. I'm actually trying a new mask, something that I've never done before, and I'll be using aloe vera. I've heard a ton of good things about aloe vera, so I was really excited to give that a try, and I'm not gonna talk you guys to death, so let me just jump right into this video and get started for you guys. So my hair hasn't been really brushed in a few days, and you guys can obviously tell, like, my hair's just all over the place right now. I kind of just like pulled it back and threw it in a really messy, tangled bun. But as far as it being brushed and groomed, it hasn't been for a few days. So when I take it out, like a lot of curly girls, when our hair is wrapped up in a bun for a few days and you don't brush it, or it's just been in a bun, it always looks really damaged because it's just all the tangles kind of matted together. So prepare yourself, because you guys will be seeing that. So you guys can see right here, I look crazy. Very, very crazy. You can see some of the curls, but a lot of them, obviously there's no definition. It's really frizzy, and it just needs to be hydrated. It needs some moisture. It's been pretty cold here in Florida, which doesn't happen often, but when it does, and I think maybe because my hair, my skin isn't used to it, it reacts quickly. So you guys can see even from this side how matted up my hair is. Don't come for me, y'all, because every time my hair be looking a little rough, all of y'all be like, your hair is so dry, which it is a little dry, I'm not gonna lie. But that's what deep conditioners are for. So we are going to give that a try. This is my first time doing the whole aloe vera thing. I've seen a lot of curly people do it, and I'm just curious to see what the results are gonna be, because every basically like review that I've seen, they are all positive. So I'm looking forward to that. Plus I am going to New York this weekend. So I just wanna make sure that my hair has all the moisture it could possibly take, because it's even colder up there than it is here. So yeah, let's see how this turns out. I'm a little nervous because I really want it to work on me. Well, we'll see. Let's go and get this thing started. So I quickly just washed my hair so that I could just put this mask on, but my hair is still really tangled. I have not untangled it. So I'm gonna do that in pieces, and then I'm gonna be applying the mask in like the sections that I am detangling. So let me just put this around here. I wanna get my shirt filled with hair cream or whatever all over it. So I'm gonna start with the bottom. Let's see if I can even get the hair to separate. Okay, so I like to detangle my hair from the ends and then I'll work my way up to the roots. I don't like detangling all the way from the top and pulling it all the way down to the bottom. So now I'm going to take the mask that I made and I'm just going to apply it all over my hair. And I'm definitely gonna focus on the ends because honestly, no matter how much I take care of my hair, my ends always struggle the most. When my hair is healthy, when my hair is damaged, my ends always have a harder time just soaking up moisture. So I'm gonna run it through, but then like when I get to the ends, see how I have like open fingers and then I'm gonna like lock it in towards the ends. And then I'm just going to take 2 pieces and twist it up and just let the mask kind of soak in for, how long am I gonna keep this mask on? I'll probably keep it on for like 30 minutes. That's usually 30 minutes to an hour is how long I typically I typically keep a mask in my hair. So now I'm just gonna repeat the same exact steps throughout the rest of my hair. So I'm kind of gonna fast forward through this because it's just gonna be the same thing over and over and over again until my entire head is filled with the mask. All right, now that I'm done completely putting the mask in my hair, I'm going to put a clear shower cap on. I always do that whenever I put a deep treatment in my hair because I feel like it kind of creates some sort of heat and it traps it inside the shower cap, and that heat is very beneficial to my hair because it almost like soaks in all of the product into my hair follicles, and it makes the hair just feel more hydrated once I rinse it off. Next, I'm gonna put this cap on. I bought it from a local beauty supply store. I don't even know what brand it was. I mean, this was probably $3, $4, if that. But I like putting it over a regular shower cap because I feel like it really traps in the heat completely, because as you guys can see, like these shower caps, they're just not, you know, the tightest. It doesn't really trap much in there. So whatever might, let's say, come out, this kind of keeps it in there. And I'm gonna leave this mask on for about 30 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it out. And once I'm done washing it out, then I'll come back and then we'll diffuse my hair and then we'll see the end result. All right, so see you guys in a little bit over 30 minutes, but to you guys, it's gonna be like 3 seconds once I'm done editing this video. Okay, so I kept a mask in my hair for about 40 minutes, and now it's just rinsed out. My hair is just really wet. Now I'm gonna apply my styling products, and we'll see how the end result looks. I'm really excited to see what it ends up looking like. So I am going to be using the Rizos Curl Defining Cream. That's what I'm gonna put first, and then I'll be putting a gel to kind of hold the curls a little bit longer, and then we'll get to diffusing. Okay, so the final product I'm gonna put in my hair, I have like hair all over me. I am gonna be using the Deva Curl Archangel Gel. This gel is to define and control, and it's a maximum hold. So I'm just gonna put it, scrunch up my hair, then we'll finally get to the last step, which is diffusing it. So now I have all of the gel in my hair, just cleaning my hands, and then I am going to diffuse it, and I'll be using the Dyson hair diffuser. Does this have like a special name to it, or no? I don't know. It doesn't say, but it's by Dyson. It's one of my favorite diffusers because I feel like it dries my hair much quicker than my other diffusers. It still takes a while, I'm not gonna lie. Diffusing is like my least favorite thing about doing my hair because it takes so long, but this kind of just cuts the time a little bit. So let's just get to the not so fun part and see what this looks like at the end. So this is the end result. I think that either the gel or the cream, but I'm leaning more towards the cream because I use the gel a lot and it's never happened to me. It's creating a lot of flakiness in the hair. But I'm sure like as time goes on, it's gonna go away. But today, since it's like the first day and the hair is like the freshest, it has like a little bit of a cast to it, which is creating like these little flakes. But I like more volume versus definition, so I'm always fluffing my hair. Throughout the days, my hair will fluff more and more. Clean day, my hair is usually the flattest. But this is the final result. So far, my hair feels really soft. I'm really liking how that mask left my hair feeling. Supposedly, aloe vera promotes hair growth as well, so I kind of just want to keep up with it to really see if I can notice a difference in my hair length. But overall, this is so annoying with all these flakes on my shirt, but this is what my hair looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoy watching some hair videos, just let me know, and I'll be filming more hair videos. I don't really do them too much. I kind of stick more to the makeup, but if you guys really want to see it, I'm definitely down to film it for you guys. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.